Spain's death toll from COVID-19 has topped 2,000 after the country reported 462 more deaths in the past 24 hours. The news comes just as shocking footage emerged showing patients lying on the floor of Madrid hospitals as they wait to be seen by medical staff. Some of them can be seen coughing, while others appeared to be hooked up to oxygen tanks. Many other patients can then be seen sitting in rows of chairs wearing face masks. Several of them look as though they are attached to 4 drips. The footage, filmed in the Infanta Leonor Hospital and the Severo Ochoa de Leganes Hospital, was published by local media in a bid to encourage more people to stay at home and obey social distancing restrictions. Javier Garcia, a representative for the General Union of Workers, told the publication the hospital's emergency ward was at 3 times its capacity, meaning many patients are without a bed, sitting on plastic chairs for more than 30 hours.